The first step is going to be duplicating our template folder that we previously created. And we're going to rename this version to quote-generator. And next, we're going to open that up in Visual Studio Code. And once inside, we're going to open up our three files, our index, our style, and our script files. And we'll remove that Explorer to give ourselves a little bit more space. So the first thing we're going to change is our page title from template. We're going to type in quote generator just to know that we've actually updated our template. We're going to save that. And if you see at the bottom here, there's a blue bar. We're going to press go live to use our live server extension. And you can see that the project has opened up. It's totally blank, but we can see that the page title has changed. Okay, awesome. The next step is we're going to go to the Hero Patterns website, heropatterns.com, in order to find our vector background. There are many different patterns to choose from, as you can see here, and you can customize your colors however you like. There is one in particular that I'm going to go for. It's my favorite one. It is the circuit board. It's kind of near the bottom here. And there it is. So we're going to click on this, and we're going to change the foreground color to be black, and the background color to be white. And then we're also going to bring down the opacity quite a bit. You can see as I do that it actually changes this number here. And we're going to bring it down to 0.08. Okay, that's perfect. And then we're going to copy this. And we're done with this page for now. We can go back into the editor and into our style CSS. And we're going to start styling our body here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to eliminate the margins. So we're going to do margin 0. Normally there's a 10 pixel margin all the way around the body, but we want our background to extend all the way out. We're also going to give a min height of 100 VH, viewport height. Okay, and now we can paste in our hero pattern here. We can see that the SVG is one giant line. We don't need to worry about that though. We'll just leave it as it is, and we'll just tab that over. Okay, now we're going to save it and go over and check it out. Okay, that looks great. We have our circuit board pattern on our full screen background. Awesome. Next, we're going to go to Google Fonts to get a custom font. You can see that this site has changed a bit in recent weeks. I actually prefer the classic site, so I'm going to click up here, return to classic site. And I already know the font that I want, but of course you can go through, there's many fonts to choose from. I'm going to go with this very popular font here, Montserrat. And we're going to click the add button here, and we're going to go to embed, and we're going to import it. So we're going to add this in our CSS, and we're just going to copy that. And we're done with that page now. Back in Visual Studio Code, we're going to add this import for the font at the top here. Okay, so we have that imported, and now we're going to actually add it into the body. So first, we want our font color to be black, so that it contrasts our white background. And now we can include the font family here. So we're going to add our Montserrat, and we'll also add a fallback of just sans serif. We want a font weight 700, which is a bold font. We want all of our font probably throughout to just be centered, just to make everything look nice and clean. And we're also going to use display flex to align everything in the center, both vertically, which is align items, and horizontally, which is justify content. Okay, we're going to save that, and that's pretty much it for this first video. In the next one, we're going to start actually creating the UI for our project, where our quotes and buttons will live, and we'll make sure that our Font Awesome and Google Fonts are both working correctly. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.